哎呀，又咬人嘴皮子。
小把咬住了。
脾气大得很，现在啊。
With a mum desperate to turn the tide on her family's current eating, shopping and spending habits. We are the Alexander
Guys, I taught my cat to laugh. Okay, ready? Hold on. Kotar. Can I get the ha ha? Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Cooter, you're like lightning in a bottle.
Oh no!
Favorite bridge, slow down. Hey, hey, hey. It's okay. I don't want you jumping out. No. Go ahead. Good boy. How was that? How's the new heated basket? Come on. Try this out. Heated basket. Come on. Pouncy's heated basket design 2.0. I cleaned up the wiring. I went to a low voltage system so it didn't interfere with my microphone, and if he claws at it, he's not going to get shocked. We have a thermostat, an adjustable temperature. We got Pouncy. The basket is now lined with thermal insulation, so it is nice and cozy in there. Huh? What do you think? Huh? Is it nice in there?
मजा नहीं आ रहा है।